Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to installment number 3 of a CLA on a Bolex D8L. We've come a long way. We actually have cleaned it a good bit, and at 12 frames per second. It's now operating. Beyond this, whereas before I did not have a viewable image in the Bolex, I've also cleaned each individual lens, inside and out. Inside the Bolex itself, I've cleaned actually the viewfinder. So, that was considerably dirty all the way around. Next, it's not over yet. The external part is going to have to be cleaned as well to get a more superior, clear image. It's still just a bit hazy. Alright. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and click a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.